Many photographers, both beginners and experienced, often encounter common mistakes that can hold back their creative growth. These errors may include issues with composition, lighting, or even camera settings, all of which can impact the final image. Recognizing and understanding these pitfalls is the first step toward improvement. By applying a few practical tips, you can quickly enhance your photos and unlock new creative possibilities. This section will explore some of the most frequent mistakes and offer straightforward solutions to help you elevate your photography. One of the most common mistakes in photography is poor composition, which can leave images feeling unbalanced or uninteresting. To improve your photos, consider using the rule of thirds. This technique involves dividing your frame into a grid of 9 equal parts and placing key elements along these lines or at their intersections. Additionally, leading lines can guide the viewer's eye through the image, creating a sense of depth and focus. By applying these simple guidelines, you can achieve more dynamic and visually appealing photographs. Proper exposure is essential for capturing high-quality photographs. Overexposure can wash out details in bright areas, while underexposure can cause shadows to lose definition. To avoid these issues, photographers rely on tools like the histogram, which visually represents the distribution of light and dark tones in an image. Mastering the exposure triangle, comprising aperture, shutter speed, and ISO, allows you to balance these settings for the best possible result. By understanding and adjusting these elements, you can consistently achieve well-exposed photos in a variety of lighting conditions. Post-editing plays a crucial role in bringing out the best in your images. Simple adjustments like tweaking exposure can brighten up a photo, while modifying contrast helps define the details and depth. Enhancing sharpness can make your subject stand out more clearly. However, it's important to make these changes subtly to avoid an unnatural look. Striking the right balance ensures your photos remain true to life while looking their absolute best. Applying these tips in your photography journey can make a significant difference in your results. Sharing your knowledge with others not only helps them grow, but also reinforces your own understanding. Engaging with the photography community provides valuable feedback, inspiration, and new perspectives. By staying connected and open to learning, you'll continue to refine your skills and develop your unique style,